In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't open that design error on Canva app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this is most likely 500 server error, or sometimes you might be told something isn't working on our end. Now to fix this, you want to try and troubleshoot the app from your end first. To do that, just go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Canva, tap on it to open. And you want to do some few things here. First, go to force stop and okay. Go to clear data, clear cache, okay. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and then go to Google Play Store or App Store and find your app and see if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version, as this might be the reason you are also experiencing this. Once you have updated, try and open your app, and now everything should be working without any issue. However, should this not work, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app, turn it off or uninstall it. Also, if you have any recently installed security app, you also need to check on it and install it temporarily to see if the problem has gone away. But should this not work, then try and see if Canva works using a web browser. So you can use any web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Brave to see if you are able to log into your Canva account. However, if all this fails, then definitely Canva has experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and try logging in after some few minutes. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.